Here's the strange thing about AI right now. The intelligence is impressive, but the workflow is still primitive. You have 10 AI tools. The models are smarter than ever, but every time work moves from one tool to another, you are the one carrying it. Copy, paste, repeat. You're basically still the context layer between tools. We, however, fixed this with the MCP Connector and CLI in Opera Neon. And that is not everything. Let's go.
Let's start first with explaining the AI agents of Opera Neon. There are multiple agents built in, not in an isolated session somewhere else. They browse like you in your session, in your browser, point them a direction, and they act for you on the web. Whether it's Neon Chat, Do, Make, or our research agents. Every click, every step, visible and in your control. The MCP connector gives your other AI systems superpowers. Without MCP, your other AI systems like Claude, Lovable, N8N and others are running outside the browsing session, being unable to get the context from your browser. They don't know what page is open, what's already been done, and where things stand. That's where the MCP connector comes in. Your AI systems step directly into the sessions. They see the real page, live, logged in, exactly as it is, and can perform actions for you. The context is just there, and the work moves as one connected system. No more copy-pasting. You are no longer the middleman. Opera Neon further enables CLI for agents that run locally to run faster, more precise, and consuming less tokens for when you run workflows that require even deeper context than through MCP. And the right model for the right task is already there. Switch mid-conversation without losing the thread. Neon's model stack brings together models for research, writing, image and video generation without managing separate subscriptions. Then there's work that repeats. Same research, same structure, same output. Rebuilt from scratch every week. Neon cards turn recurring work into something reusable. Set up once, ready to run whenever needed. You can think of them like skills. And when you call it a day, scheduled tasks take care of it. A task runs in the background and delivers results when you come back.
Your browser becomes your personal operating layer. Every tool, every agent, every session, all your context built around you. You used to be the middleman between your AI tools. We fixed this forever.